Video editing used to require expensive software, years of experience, and hours of manual work. Every cut, transition, effect, and adjustment had to be done step by step. But now, a new generation of AI tools is changing the way creators approach video production. What once took hours can now be completed in minutes, making professional editing more accessible than ever. The biggest change is not just speed, it is the way AI understands content. Modern AI editing tools can analyze footage, find important moments, remove unnecessary sections, create captions, improve audio, and even suggest better pacing. Instead of starting with a blank timeline, creators can begin with an intelligent assistant that helps shape the final video. This does not mean every editor becomes unnecessary overnight. The real transformation is that AI removes repetitive tasks and gives creators more time to focus on ideas, storytelling, and creativity. The tool is not replacing imagination. It is changing how quickly ideas can become finished videos. For creators who learn how to use it properly, AI editing is becoming one of the biggest advantages in modern content creation. Traditional video editing takes so much time because every small detail depends on manual decisions. Before a video is even finished, editors have to organize files, review hours of footage, find the best moments, remove mistakes, adjust timing, add effects, fix audio, create captions, and make countless small changes. Each step may seem simple, but together they can turn a short video into a project that takes an entire day. The biggest challenge is not only the editing itself, but the decision-making process behind it. An editor has to constantly ask, which clip should stay? Where should the cut happen? How fast should the video move? What moment will keep the viewer interested? These choices require focus and experience, which is why high-quality editing has always been a time-consuming skill. AI is changing this process by handling many repetitive tasks automatically. Instead of spending hours searching through footage or making basic adjustments, creators can use AI to speed up the first stages of editing and focus more on storytelling. The future is not about removing creativity from editing. It is about reducing the slow parts so creators can spend more time creating better videos. Turning raw footage into a finished video used to require a long series of manual steps, but AI is changing how that process works. Instead of starting with an empty timeline and building everything from scratch, creators can now give AI their raw clips and let it analyze the content. It can identify important moments, organize scenes, remove unnecessary parts, and create a stronger structure in a fraction of the time. The process begins with understanding the footage. AI can recognize speech, detect key actions, and find sections that are more engaging for viewers. It can automatically create captions, improve audio quality, adjust pacing, and suggest edits that make the video flow better. Tasks that once required multiple tools and hours of attention can now happen through a much faster workflow. But the real power of AI is not just automation. It helps creators test ideas quickly and experiment with different versions of their content. A simple collection of clips can become a polished video with better timing, clearer storytelling, and stronger viewer retention. AI handles the repetitive work, while creators remain in control of the message, style, and final creative decisions. The reason AI editing feels so powerful is because it combines multiple creative tasks into one intelligent workflow. Instead of switching between different tools for every small adjustment, creators can use AI to handle many parts of the editing process automatically. This saves time and allows more focus on the ideas behind the video rather than the technical steps. One of the biggest advantages is AI's ability to understand content. It can identify important moments, remove unnecessary sections, generate accurate captions, improve voice quality, and help create smoother transitions. Some tools can even analyze the style of a video and suggest changes that improve pacing, making the final result feel more professional and engaging. Another powerful feature is speed. Creators can quickly create multiple versions of the same video, test different hooks, change formats, and prepare content for different platforms. What once required a full editing team can now be started by a single creator with the right workflow. AI does not replace creativity. It gives creators more opportunities to experiment, improve, and produce content faster than ever before. Creating professional videos used to require years of editing experience. knowledge of complex software, and a deep understanding of visual storytelling. Many beginners had great ideas but struggled because the technical side of production felt overwhelming. AI is changing this by making advanced editing features easier to access for people who are just starting. With AI-powered tools, beginners can organize clips, create captions, improve audio, add smooth transitions, and build a cleaner structure without mastering every editing technique. Instead of spending months learning complicated software, creators can focus on the most important part: creating a message that connects with viewers. The technology handles many technical challenges while the creator controls the vision. However, professional results still come from good decisions. AI can speed up the process, but it cannot replace understanding your audience, choosing the right story, or knowing what makes content interesting. The creators who benefit the most are the ones who combine AI speed with their own creativity. This combination allows beginners to produce videos that look more polished while continuing to improve their skills over time. AI can edit videos faster than ever, but there is one thing it cannot truly replace: the human touch. A great video is not only about clean cuts, perfect captions, or smooth transitions. It is about emotion, perspective, and the ability to understand what will make a viewer feel something. Those decisions come from human creativity and experience. AI can analyze patterns, suggest improvements, and automate repetitive tasks, but it does not have personal stories, opinions, or real emotions behind the content. A creator knows why a certain moment matters, why a specific message needs emphasis, or why a particular scene can connect with an audience. That deeper understanding is what turns a simple video into something memorable. The future of editing is not a battle between humans and AI. It is a partnership where AI handles time-consuming tasks while creators focus on ideas, storytelling, and originality. The most successful creators will not be the ones who avoid AI, but the ones who know how to use it while keeping their own voice, style, and creativity at the center of every video. Using AI editing smarter is not about letting the tool do everything. The biggest advantage comes from knowing where AI can save time and where human creativity is still needed. Creators who treat AI as an assistant instead of a replacement can build a faster and more effective production process. The smartest workflow starts with planning. Before opening any editing tool, creators should know the purpose of the video, the target audience, and the emotion they want to create. AI can then help with repetitive tasks like organizing clips, generating captions, improving audio, and creating different versions. This allows creators to spend less time on technical work and more time improving the story. Another important strategy is testing and learning. AI makes it easier to experiment with different hooks, editing styles, and formats without spending endless hours on each version. Creators can discover what works best by analyzing results and improving their process over time. The future belongs to those who combine human ideas with AI speed, creating content that is not only faster to produce, but also stronger and more engaging for viewers. The future of video editing is moving toward a world where creating professional content becomes faster, easier, and more accessible. Tasks that once required expensive equipment, advanced skills, and large teams are becoming available to individual creators through AI-powered tools. This shift is changing not only how videos are edited, but also how quickly ideas can become reality. In the coming years, AI will continue improving its ability to understand stories, predict audience preferences, and assist creators throughout the entire production process. Editing may become less about spending hours controlling every technical detail and more about guiding intelligent systems with creative direction. The creator's role will evolve from manual editor to storyteller, strategist, and decision maker. However, the most valuable part of any video will always come from the human behind it. AI can enhance creativity, speed up workflows, and remove repetitive tasks, but it cannot replace unique ideas, personal experiences, and authentic connections with viewers. The future of video editing is not humans versus AI. It is creators using AI as a powerful partner to produce better stories, reach more people, and turn ideas into content faster than ever before.